Hello, Cotton Cuts enthusiasts. Thank you so much for joining us for this video. We are so excited to be able to open our Rosa's Holiday Your Way Notions gift box with you. We love putting together these things every year and being able to bring you things from all over the world, from lots of different places, from companies big and small. So what we're going to do is spend the next several days opening these boxes. We're going to show you each item and what's inside and why it's cool and special. However, if you have received one of them and you haven't opened these items yet, please, please, please stop your video now. Stop it, hit the pause button, close it, because I am going to be spoiling what is inside of these boxes. So this is what the box looks like, guys. If you do not want to see the contents, please stop the video, shut down YouTube, close all your notifications. We are going to take one video at a time and go through each item. So this is your final warning. All right, so now that you've been warned, we're going to open another item from our Notions gift box. So this one has a super cute saying on it, "Acute ones are the best." And so, in this case, acute written like this reminds me of high school geometry and acute triangles. And so I am thinking there's probably something triangle based in here. As I do the Christmas test, I feel like there's paper in here, maybe a pad of paper of some variety. So as I open it, what we have inside of it is a pad of stitching paper. We'll call it stitching paper, to be able to make all of these scrappy triangles that you see on the cover of this book. So this is my friend, Lila Garduña. She is an incredible pattern designer. She's done some Iowa State Fair block patterns. She's doing a lot of super fantastic stuff. She was at market, so you're going to start to see her in your local quilt shops more and more. She lives right down the road. Two of her daughters have worked here, and she developed this paper. She's been doing a ton of scrappy mountains and scrappy triangles, and I thought this would be fantastic to include in our Notions box. These are hot off the press. Like I still feel some heat coming off of them, but the idea is that they're going to make a whole bunch of 6-inch squares of triangles using foundation paper pieced. So if you've never foundation paper pieced before, Lila has a whole bunch of tutorials online, but it's very, very simple. You're just creating scrappy triangles using different orientation of the paper using a foundation paper piece method. This is tons of fun. She loves bright, fun colors. You can look her up online. She has tutorials on how to use this pad of paper as well. But I love it because as I'm looking at it, I can see lots of triangles, but I do think that the acute ones are truly the best. Hey, so now that you've seen what's inside of it, if you want to see what else we have, be sure to check our other videos on this channel. We're going to do one item per video. It was so much fun sharing all of this with you and why these are some of our favorite things from this year. So if you're interested in learning more about Cotton Cuts, simply go to cottoncuts.com to learn about all the crazy and cool things that we do throughout the year, more than just delivering cool notions to our people. We have our Puzzle Mystery Quilt program. We have all of our fabric memberships, all of our thread memberships. We do special programs throughout the year. So you are definitely going to want to like and subscribe this video in order to stay up to speed with all the new and awesome things happening at Cotton Cuts. Thank you so much for watching this, and bye now.